Okay, so I'm going to change the brake pads on my 98 Dodge Ram 1500 two-wheel drive. As the pads are wearing, so I'm using a 3/8 Allen wrench just to get the caliper off, and they are located, I've already loosened these, one at the top at the back and one at the bottom, and that is all that holds your caliper in place. I'm just going to stick them on the top there for safekeeping, and you may have to just get a bar just to pull these off, but that will pull out. I'm trying to do this with one hand because I'm holding the phone, so I'll be back once I've got it off. Okay, a quick trick, because you need to space your brake pads back, so you need to pull back on the caliper. I just use this little jack. It's what I jack the truck up with. I put an axle stand under it to secure it, but I'm not using the jack, so I leave the old brake pad in, put it under the arm, and instead of using a C-clamp, I just use my jack, and that pulls it all the way back. So I can just put my new brake pads in. That's where it needs to be. Put my new brake pads in, and it's taken me literally 2 minutes, and I'll be putting this back on the truck. Pads are in, as you can see. So now I'm just going to stick this back on the rotor. So once that's sat properly, I'm going to secure it up and job's done. So that's tightened up, all done. Took 2 minutes, saved a bunch of money. Pads cost me like 20 bucks, so cheap easy job for a Sunday morning. Thanks for watching.